Hello friends, for intraday trading today I have selected Adani port, and for today market is in the hand of bears, and all most of the stocks are in downtrend. So for today's strategies is simply pick a stock which is fundamentally good, basically from Nifty 50, and just look for a area where you can see some kind of selling pressure, or you can see some kind of resistance that is getting faced by the buyers, because today actually the presence of buyer is very less, but still there are some area in most of the stocks, or in Nifty 50 stocks you can easily get from the chart. But here I have selected Adani port because of some other multiple regions, and let us discuss all those region analysis, trade, and result. So let us discuss our usual video. First region for selection of this stock is, as you can see, I have drawn levels in this chart. So you can easily see how price has started making lower highs and lower lows. So from here onwards, you can see these highs. When after this particular high and series of lower highs, you can clearly see, if I draw a trend line, then it will be a very smooth trend line. Over here we can draw from here, this point, till here we can draw that line. So very smooth trend line, so that typically indicates presence of, or you can say a dominance of sellers in this stock. And on top of that, market is also in the hand of bears, and so that actually suits for the sellers, or the kind of trader who actually enjoys selling. For intraday trader, the one actually only one thing we need, and that is market should be in moving. It should move either in upward, either in downward. It should not stay at any particular place or trading range. So that's about the reason. Only reason, the main reason is that both trend of stocks and trend of market is in down, and on top of that we have drawn some support and resistance level. So basically this support was broken, so price was here, and in the morning I was waiting for at least pullback over it till here. So but market is in a strong bear hand, so no actually pullback came. So I initiated my position once I got this particular pattern. You can say like this is a morning star, but for this I confirmed from the volume. So here you can see, uh, out of these three candles I got just higher volume in the middle one. So that is a kind of shooting star pattern. So I have traded this, and 1:2 risk reward ratio, and just I got exited from the trade, because uh, whatever the moves a stock or a market consumes in a day, or move in a day, that has been already consumed or traveled by the stocks. So most probably they will remain in trading range or sideways for some for today's remaining trading session. So on the basis of this analysis, I have initiated my position, and also after booking the profit I have closed, because today volatility is very high, and also on top of that maybe in the last hour some kind of recovery or short covering may come, so that will ultimately hit our stop loss, and that will give loss. So that depends on the uh, upcoming session, but for safer side, as of now market has given me 1:2, so that I have booked, and result from is that positive. And learning lesson for this particular trade is that uh, uh, today simply follow the trend. There is nothing to actually see or analyze more, because more information will give you more confusion. So basically just align the trend of stock, market, and bearish pattern. So that's all those things has worked, and it has given me profit. And similarly, I will tell you that if this kind of scenario comes in your trading career, simply pick a very good fundamental stock and look for a selling area where selling is coming, and try to find a candlestick pattern over there, and so that will give you a very good risk reward, as well as it will also boost your confidence. So on this note, this is all about today's trade plan. Thank you guys. Keep watching, keep trading, and keep listening to the price action, how price action is working, and keep learning, because learning is the most important thing that will keep you in the market forever, and it will keep you always in green. So this is all about today's trade plan. Thank you. Take care and bye.